जैसे मैंने अपने previous interviews में यही बोला है that the people are kind of not taking this thing as seriously as they should. Like when Janda saying hashtag unsafe, hashtag, they kind of making fun of this. But the intensity, you must understand that of a robbery, of a heinous crime, of stabbing someone as famous of a stature of Saif Ali Khan to barge into his house, to be able to come through shafts like a Spider-Man and to have all these anecdotes that criminals have, and to be able to pass through security through whatever reasons he could. It is just showcasing us that Mumbai right now is not safe for people who are not just, I would say, rich and famous, but in general. How does the Janta relate to an actor? It's through his films and through the work they do, right? But I also really request a paparazzi that, I'm not saying this because I'm right here, but we do PR activities as well. हम कहाँ जाते हैं, खाते हैं, पीते हैं, क्या करते हैं. But without that also, everybody knows where a person lives, what car numbers they have, what salon they're going to, which Bastion restaurant they're coming out with, who are their friends, boyfriends, girlfriends, mother, father, कौन सी जगह जा रहे हैं, कहाँ से निकल रहे हैं, किस जिम में जा रहे हैं. तो ये सब इन्फॉर्मेशन जो है ना, एक क्रिमिनल के लिए बहुत ही, आई वुड से, इट्स इन्फॉर्मेशन dissemination for them to plan their plot their things. So I also request you to keep the privacy and discretion of actors, models, businessmen, family members ki, if you're wanting to show who they are and where they are coming from, just don't give out the location and the branding of a particular place, because it can really affect a lot of people. And if somebody is involved in this heinous crime, I think justice has to be brought. Whether the governments fight against each other or they raise voices, the voice needs to be raised against injustice. We have to have better policies in place, better security clearances in system, because this is something. Because I have gone through a robbery where I was attacked in my own house. I do not know if you all know that. So I can understand the mental trauma, not just for the person who's been stabbed. I would say that thank you God, I would say it, but it's really sad what's happened to him. फैमिली के लिए इतना ट्रोमेटिक होता है ना ये चीज़ से गुजरना. जो इंसान ऑलरेडी तकलीफ़ में है उसको और तकलीफ मत दीजिए. स्टॉप यूजिंग हैशटैग हा 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 unsafe and all of this particular nuances and anecdotes that you're creating. This is the time to come together as a community. It's the time to come together as a nation, and not just for your safety or my safety, for the safety of women, men in general living in their homes. Whether it's Mumbai or Chandigarh, we need to be safe. कि हम अपने घर में सेफ फील कर सकें. अपने घर में हम सेफ फील नहीं करें तो सड़कों पे तो आई थिंक इट्स गोना बी अ रियली हार्ड टाइम. सो प्लीज़ मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ, दरखास्त करती हूँ, bring the criminal to justice and let peace prevail, and don't make fun and troll people like that. The family needs this privacy. So I'm sure the government and the officials are doing their best. आज उन्होंने पकड़ लिया एक इंसान को, राइट, रेलवे स्टेशन पे. उन्होंने कपड़े बदले, वो शाफ्ट से गए, जैसे भी उनका एक्सेस था. एक डिफेंस में सर को लगी है चोट, and they've apprehended the criminal. It's time that whoever's done this plotting and planning, needs to kind of come to justice, and I think the cops are doing their job, and let's see what happens. Please, I wish the family all the love and the healing, and I hope the media understands this as well, because आप लोगों की वजह से हमें और हम आपकी वजह से. So let's respect
आपको
this.
क्या लगता है अभी खारवेंड्रा सेफ है? Like Baba also, Siddiqui also faces. Because they posh it up by खारवेंड्रा now.
Yes, and target usually ये इलाके होते हैं.
Yes.
Right, for robbery.
Yeah.
आपको लगता है किसी का लाइफस्टाइल देख के, इट्स नॉट अबाउट जेलसी. आपका जो क्रिमिनल साइकोलॉजी होता है, a criminal is born a criminal or he becomes a criminal because of given circumstances, or there are various nuances in psychology why they talk about criminality. I am not a psychologist or a psychotherapist. I can only say from my personal experience, when I was robbed or I've seen things happen around me, to my friends, that it's not safe. It's not safe for people who are as powerful. It's not safe for people who are not powerful. I would say safety is no longer a matter of आपके कितने बॉडीगार्ड हैं या आपके
अभी ऐसा हो गया, अभी ऐसा
हैं. जो जिन लोगों को ये हरकतें करनी है, आई एम थिंकिंग उनके अंदर ये दिलेरी कहाँ से आ रही है? Where is the courage to kill someone coming from?
अभी तो ऐसा हो गया है, सोसाइटी के बाहर या अंदर के सिक्योरिटी लगा था, अभी घर के बाहर भी सिक्योरिटी लगा है, ऐसा माहौल हो गया है.
Because the point is, आप एक बात बताइए, we are living in Mumbai gated societies. पिक्चर आती है, ऊपर जाती है, कुछ ना कुछ तो हुआ है ना कि वो क्रिमिनल पहुंच सका कहीं पे, कहीं लैप्स तो हुआ है सिक्योरिटी में ही, राइट? और that has to be where our people have to be trained. आई एम नॉट सेइंग ये गलती किसी एक कंपनी की है जानबूझ की, इंसान से गलती होती है, बट जब इंसान की गलती किसी की लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग इशू पे आ जाती है, आई रियली थिंक दैट वी नीड टू ट्रेन दीज ऑफिशियल्स who we hire, be it any security company, that they train them like commandos to be aware, vigilant, right? Because मैं अपने घर बैठी हूँ, कल को आगे कोई चाकू से मार दे या बंदूक लगा दे, how would I know where the person is coming from, where in my house, and has known the map of my house? So it is whatever inside job, outside job. I really think safety, security of not just high-end officials, women on the street are as important, for boys on the street, young girls and boys. Safety, security is a matter of national security for me now, I would say, because we are of the people, by the people and for the people, just the way the government is of the people, by the people and for the people. So it's time we stand together, and we are really hoping that the government and the officials do their job like they've been doing. I got justice. The criminals who robbed me are behind bars and they're serving their sentences, so I'm sure so will they.
Thanks for motivating
Jai
us
Hind.
how to be safe.